Hey guys, I just got a question. Does LiveGood have any new products? And if they do, where can I find them? Well, it's pretty easy. If you go to LiveGood, there's a tab that'll say products, and you click it, and guess what? Those darn products are right there. Okay, I'll show you. All right, I got a couple minutes to kill. All right, first of all, thanks for your time. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully you get some value out of my vids. Okay, now let me shrink up. Joincory.com. Okay, go there, and this is the page that you're going to see. All right, say hi to this handsome devil in the blue shirt. I want you to watch this video right here in the middle. Okay, it's going to answer a lot of your questions. Okay, products, affiliate opportunity, how much. All right, you're going to see our CEO, Ben Glinsky, talk for 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And guess what? If you want to join, put your name and email address right here, and just put reserve my position, and open the email and join. And if you don't join, you'll get 1 email per day. Just telling you more about LiveGood. So if you want to, sit on the fence a little bit and just think about things to get more education. All right, that's what'll happen if you put your name and your email. Click that little reserve my position. Okay, guys. All right, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and click my LiveGood website button. Okay, now on your screen, I want you to click, or on your cell phone, there's just going to be a little tab. It'll just say products. Okay, now I wouldn't mind if the web designers did this. Do you see all our products in the little squares? Each one has basically a square. Okay, multivitamins. You can see we got a lot of products. Organic coffee, super reds and super greens are what brought me into the company. If you need energy, try the E3. If you guys like CBD oil, we got the freshest, most high potentest CBD on the planet, less than 20 bucks. All right, Factor 4 top seller. Amino acid fruit punch. I have it right in back of me on my mini fridge off to the left of your screen. You need some energy, try out these energy patches. If you need some sleep, just slap these on your butt cheeks and sleep like a baby. All right, methylene blue, super popular. It's all over now. God, it's so popular. It's over 100 years old, but people are seeing the benefits of it now. All right, creatine, of course, essential oils. Now, our latest products, I'm still scrolling here. I just want you to see my screen, but you guys just go to livegood.com and check out the products yourself. The latest ones, a lot of times they'll put just at the bottom of the products. Okay, and it's separated by, it says limited time product, this one, the skin cream, and then it goes into packages. But most of our new products, they always put at the very end, and then it seems like a day or two later, if something relates to protein powder, they'll put it up by the protein powder that's already existing up here. Or if there's something, let's say there's meatloaf flavored CBD oil, they'll put that little rectangle box next to the CBD oil right here, okay? But you guys just go through all the products. But I wouldn't mind if they put like a little, see in the little corner, that'd be kind of cool if they put the word new. Just for like, let's say 2 weeks, just to let people know, hey, these are new products. But the latest ones, about a week, maybe a week and a half. I don't even think these debuted 2 weeks ago. Right here, do you see in the middle of the screen? Mostly for skin. Okay, the VitaGlow, Radiance, Instant Youth, and the Ageless Renewal. Okay, you want to get that skin rocking, looking nice and sexy, especially with summer coming up. The wintertime's hauling ass. It's already mid-February, and it's a short month, so we're almost into March. But, yeah, these products right here. And if you want to learn about any of them, just click the little white rectangle button. It tells you the ingredients, how to use each product. All right, comparable products. See, we're a wholesale company. No one's going to beat our prices. Okay, and no one really can afford to spend the money that we spend on each product. We buy the most expensive ingredients, but we're 30 to 70% less than anybody because we're a membership company. We don't focus on retail. Now, if you want to go to livegood.com and shop like Amazon.com or Walmart.com, yeah, go ahead, guys. But most people, you'll spend $9.95 a month. So you get wholesale. Okay, you can't beat wholesale. It's barely above cost at what LiveGood has to spend just to make each product. We use the United States Post Office to get it to your home. And let's see, it's DHL International if you're outside of the U.S. And there's full tracking. You guys work it out. If you think a package is lost, you can always go to support@livegood.com. But also, you're going to have a tracking number. So get a hold of DHL International or the post office. And everything has tracking and everything else, okay? Which is peace of mind. You want to know, hey, where's my products? I just want to know when I'm going to get them and how much the cost is and everything else. You find all this out before you hit, boom, purchase. Okay, so go look at the products tab. Now, if you're already in LiveGood and you are logged in with your username and password, that tab is going to say shop because you already know where the products tab is. But for some reason, when you're logged in, it just says shop. Like, hey, do you guys want to go shop? All right. So sometimes my downline will get a hold of me and says, where's the products tab? It disappeared. Okay. Just remember, LiveGooders, if you're logged in with your username and password, the title instead of products, it just says shop. And why they do that, I think it's nonsense. Keep it products. All right. If I say go to the products tab and shop for products, you know, you don't look at the products just because you're bored. Of course, you're going to shop to buy the products. But hey, whoever designs the website to LiveGood, I can't biatch and moan because it's generated almost 1.8 to 1.9 million members and affiliates. Okay, so high five. Now, if you want to be an affiliate, remember it's only a $40 one-time fee. Remember, we're not a company that focuses on retail where we force you to buy products. Only if you want to. And if you want to order them each month, then be a member and save money. But guys, we're a membership-based website. Just like Costco, Netflix, even a golf course, there's a lot of places where if you're a member, there's benefits. And most of the time you want to save money, right? Like in Costco's case. So what I encourage you to do is to just think about it. Okay, it's not heavy lifting. It's only $40 for life. It's not $40 a year, $40 a month. Guys, two $20 bills. And if you want to make a video like this and just say, hey guys, go look at this or go check out LiveGood, here's my link. Okay, because all of you guys get a nice capture page where people go and you want to see it, go to joincory.com. I bought this link right here, the domain name from GoDaddy, and they forward it to what you're going to have. Your own personal capture page where people can watch a video, does all the recruiting, tells a customer or a member, anyone that you just want to invite into the LiveGood family, just let the videos do everything. Please don't try to do video if you're not comfortable. Let existing videos do all that stuff. Do emails if you don't want to do social media. If you want to do social media, I recommend the top 3, TikTok, let's see, Instagram and Facebook. And of course, there's Threads, Twitter, any way, shape, or form. You can even do business cards like I do. All right, I just bought, 25. They're only $18 now, so I think it's $5 shipping. So for about $23, you can get a big old box of cards like this, guys. These will last you all year. But if someone on a street level says, "Hey, Cory, what's that thing you're doing? I think I saw you talk about Live Great, or is it Live Good, or what is that?" I just go, here, just go to joincory.com, watch the video. And if you guys want to join, get a hold of me. And if not, hey, how's the wife? How's the kids? How's those new set of wheels doing? Okay. I never talk about LiveGood on a street level. It's just not my thing. I let the video do everything. Okay, guys. Boom. Peace and the love. And I want you to go to joincory.com and watch that video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. And if you're already in LiveGood, keep it simple. Please don't overanalyze and make this heavy lifting. It's not. You're just going to invite someone to watch a video, and guys, you're done. Everything else, I hate to say it's in turnkey mode, but guys, that's how it basically is. I wish I could make it more complicated to make it sound like, oh man, this is crazy. Cory's so smart. I'm not. I just keep it simple, and I've signed up well over 400 people. I'll have 500 people signed up, by midsummer. Okay? And I'll help you. Okay? All right, guys, thanks again for your time. And I hope you join LiveGood. Pretty cool company. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.